Why do you think it was important to talk about this?
Yeah, I mean, Mahakali is a very particular force. For example, she is celebrated in India, especially in Calcutta and in West Bengal on that. But it is mostly also the lower form of Mahakali which is celebrated as a terrible force with the skulls as a chain around her neck, and she is after blood and violence and all this. But this is a very low Kali. So the higher Kali, which is acting in the transformation in Sri Aurobindo's yoga, is together with Krishna and Kali. This was also mentioned. So it is important to bring this aspect that she is helping the transformation by advancing and hastening to get rid of all what we do not need to have anymore, our habits and our inconscience and the falsehood and everything what we are carrying as a luggage and baggage from the past with us. This all has to go. And sometimes we are clinging to it unconsciously. And then she brings us into a situation where those things can get, I wouldn't say destroyed, but they just go away to a situation or an experience, an event, and we are free of it. So it is important that we talk about this in the panel, because we forget we don't have to do this all ourselves. There are these incredible beings there who are helping us on every step, and we should call on them. Well, humanity has to go through this phase.
Just go to the side.
Yes,
because
there is no way that humanity can avoid this phase, because the mental consciousness cannot see the truth. So the mental consciousness sees black and white, and it is very limited in its understanding. So we are actually not capable of understanding what comes after the mental. We can only imagine something, and if this is true or not, we also don't know. But we have the guidance and the faith that this is given to us, and if we believe what Mother said, what Sri Aurobindo is teaching, and we get glimpses, we develop our intuition, we get a glimpse and have some imagination how it can be to live without falsehood. That is the best to imagine and to strive to do that. So whole world is in the chaos, and I'm not sure that we are already at the lowest point. I wouldn't say globally. I say it happens in different pockets, happen different things. Happen different events and different like the war now in Russia, Ukraine. That alone the fact that it started in the birthday week, 24th of February, is an indication that it is straight against the mother. For me, I understand against mother's force. It's a straight indication that Russia attacks Ukraine, and that in the birthday week means it is guided by some Asuric forces to destroy something, to destroy, not to help to come to another consciousness. So yes, the forces are very active, and they will use any opportunity, anybody, any person, any politician, any power hungry, any whatever, to stop the transformation or to delay it with whatever means they have. So we can expect that things like that will happen, and if we're not careful, it can go bad, even much worse. So we have to really concentrate on the light and on the transformation, on getting rid of the baggage, and ask for help to get through there. And I think this is important, that at least a small portion of mankind is doing that. It will have a huge effect. It doesn't need to be half of the planet. It will have repercussions if some are concentrating and working with the mother, with mother's forces. Also Mahakali, all the mothers, all the four mothers, it will have a huge impact. So that's why this is important. This comes more into our consciousness and in our awareness. What kind of gifts we have. These are gifts and help us to work with.
So the birthday week is going on, and we are celebrating, and we have the theme of sincerity here. And do you think sincerity and resoluteness are intertwined, or is it...
We need all the qualities there is not one better or less needed than the other. We have to develop them all. Resoluteness and sincerity. Sincerity is at the basis of everything. Mother says, without being sincere, we get nowhere. You don't even have to start. First thing is you stop lying, you be sincere. So, and then comes all the other things we have to develop. Each one in its own path and speed.
Yes, and sincerity would be, what does it speak to you? I mean, when you say you need to be sincere, we need to be sincere to bring about a change.
Sincere means you are true to yourself, you don't speak a lie. You very consciously, even if it is inconvenient, you don't say anything which is not true. I mean, it is important that you are fighting for the right cause and not for yourself, not for you're fighting means getting rid of the adverse forces in yourself first.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the sincerity that you look deeply and clean all this stuff out.
Yeah.